Journal passage number 11. Although the final and formal results of the 19th December referendum will be announced by the Election Commission by 22nd December, the way people participated in the polling on Wednesday should leave no doubt about the people's verdict on the mandate sought by President Zia for the continuation of his policy of Islamization. Full stop. It was a unique event in the history of Pakistan. Full stop. For the first time in the 37-year history of the country, a head of state made a direct reference to the people to seek their approval of his policies. Full stop. In the past, people chose their rulers indirectly. Full stop. They voted for parties and candidates, but they had no direct say in the choice of their head of state or government. Full stop. This time, however, they were asked to express their choice directly and openly, whether they were in favor of President Zia and his policies. Full stop. New paragraph. They were given full freedom to say yes or no, showing that the man who had taken that course had full, faith in the people's judgment to decide about their destiny. Full stop. And the people on 19th December demonstrated that they had full confidence in the man who had expressed confidence in them by referring a momentous issue for their decision. Full stop. Men, women, the old and the infirm went to the polling stations in large numbers to cast their votes. Full stop. Voters in the north braved weather and demonstrated their love for Islam and Pakistan. Full stop. The importance of the large voters turnout lies in the fact that certain political groups had actively lobbied for the boycott of the referendum. Full stop. But people rejected them and responded positively to the call to exercise their right of franchise. Full stop. New paragraph. As we said earlier, we have to wait for the announcement of the final results by the Election Commission, but the trend is clear from the first few unofficial results that have come in, showing that over 95% of the voters cast an affirmative vote. Full stop. The percentage of voter turnout was also impressive, 50% going up to 85% in certain areas. Full stop. This figure compares favorably with the percentage of votes cast in earlier elections in the country, or even in the polls held in Western countries. Full stop. Needless to emphasize, both the voter turnout and the initial vote count are indicative of the popular thinking on the present national situation. Full stop. People knew what was at stake and they felt it was their national duty to throw their weight behind what they thought was the correct course. Full stop.